Hi everyone, welcome. Today this recipe that I'm doing is one of my absolute favorite recipes. It is roasted root vegetables, okay? And this is all of the roasted roots that I have cut up. So I have beets, carrots, turnips, garlic, onions, and potatoes in here. And this is nice because when you're making this recipe, you can use any root vegetable that you would like. And so I chopped all of these up. I like to do them in bite sizes when I'm doing them. And as you're chopping all of this up, this is a great opportunity to preheat your oven. So you want to do it at 425. And so the oven is all preheating, ready to go. And then I'm going to add in olive oil. So it calls for like a teaspoon and a half. So it's just kind of like a light drizzle of the olive oil. In the seasonings, in the recipe, it calls for rosemary, oregano, or thyme. Honestly, I just like to do a tad bit of black pepper. And then all you're gonna do is just give them a good mix. And I always put them on a cookie sheet with a nonstick mat, but if you don't have a nonstick mat, you can use a cookie sheet and spray it really well so the vegetables will not stick to the pan. Okay, so I'm gonna bring that over to show you guys. So I have my pan all ready to go. When I put them on, I'm just gonna make sure that there's not a lot of vegetables that are overlapping so the cooking time will be even. And my oven is all preheated, ready to go, so this is fabulous. I absolutely love the flavor of roasted roots, and there's just so many flavors that come out, especially when you roast something. It's like a sweetness, which is fabulous. Okay, so I am going to put these in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how tender they get. And this could be personal preference, but I like them very tender for my roasted roots. And you can see just the fabulous color here. All different color beets with the different potatoes and the parsnips and the carrots. Okay, so we'll be back in a few minutes to see what this end result looks like. Okay, and there we go. We have some roasted roots, still sizzling. Have a great day, everybody.